Whether you're looking to make money or boost your social media engagement, incorporating movies or other popular clips can be a fantastic strategy. Take a look at this video. Here is a video clip from a popular movie. We've just changed the style of the original video with the help of an AI tool. Yes, you heard right. Now you can transform any ordinary video into a cartoon or animated video. So in this video, I will show you everything you need to know to start using this strategy. So without any further delay, let's get started. I will be introducing DOMO AI, a new AI tool for creators. This tool allows you to transform the style of your video. Just look at that. To start with DOMO AI, you need a Discord account, as it says here. So you can either navigate to this website, domoai.app, or use the link in the description, whatever works for you. So I'm just going to click on it and navigate to Discord. Accept invite. Right now it's going to open Discord. So once you land on the server, it's going to ask you a couple of questions. I will say, generate AI art, 18+, just answer whatever works for you. I'm going to select English. Accept these, finish, and now we are ready to generate our video. Once you created your account, just navigate to one of these generate channels. I'm just going to go with generate-2. Now type in /. What you're going to see is this menu with all kinds of options that DOMO AI offers. So it can animate images, it can generate images, turn your text into art, and it's an all-around AI generation tool. But in this video, I am going to show you how to turn your videos into animation. So the feature I'm going to cover is video to video. Now for this video, I'm going to take a short clip from this movie. I hope all of you guys have seen the Captain America movie Part 1, and I'm going to quickly upload the video. And now it's going to require a prompt. I'm just going to describe it as an intense fighting scene and hit enter. So now it's going to ask you a couple of questions. I'm going to make it refer to the source video more, and I'll make it just 3 seconds because the video itself is only 3 seconds. Okay, so now it's ready, and look at this. It looks good. Let's try one more. I'm going to go ahead and upload another movie clip from Spider-Man Part 1. I'll just write down the fight scene again, refer to the source video, choose a 3-second and click start. So our clip is ready. Now let's take a look. First, let's take a look at the original, and that's the AI-generated version. It looks pretty amazing. I mean, what do you say? You can now literally recreate movies using this AI tool. So that's it from today's video. I hope you learned something new, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one.